Hey guys, it's Cole back for another video, and today I'm gonna open up 25 alpha packs. I just bought them. Oh, my 112,000 renowned down the drain for some Kapkan chibis. Yes. And I got a ranked thing because I left because my team killed me. Love that. It's just awesome. Dude, like, these things are... Okay. What the fuck is this? Like, what the hell? Who would ever want that? I have that. I mean, I'd rather get renowned than that camo. Not gonna lie. Tattoo. That's actually not that bad looking, but that gun sucks. I don't even want to open it because I know how trash it is. Yep, look at this. Do not buy these. They're such a waste of money. I've had like 6 commons. Oh, that one's so cool. The only time I use the M870 is on recruit. But again, I don't use this gun. I'd love to get an epic. Or at least a black ice. Okay, Twitch's gun I like. Twitch's gun a lot. But that, I don't know if I'd use that camo. But that's better. These commons are not good. Apparently I have that piece of shit camo. Oh yeah. Awesome. Oh my god. I run the Cleat Eastwood on Twitch, so. Oh my god, that's awesome. That is awesome. That's so dope. Smile. I'm running that every single time I run Blitz from now on. I like that gun, but that camo sucks. Well, is that one epic? Or not one? Yeah, it was an epic. One. I probably won't get any. Are you fucking kidding me? I get a headgear? I don't want that shit. Shit is fucking trash. Oh my god. Are you serious? You're not even gonna give me a camo? Oh, dope. It's fucking terrible. Oh my god. Yes! I use these guns! It doesn't even look that cool, but I use them. Worth it. Totally worth it. I love Rook and Doc. They're both fun to play. Velvet Shell, uncommon headgear. Yeah, it's definitely what I want. Black. All it is black. I mean, at least it's universal, so I get it on all the guns. I don't know if I really want an all black gun now. Depends. I don't know. Are you fucking kidding me? Who is gonna put that on him? Just makes him look stupid. It's potato face. Oh, let's see this. Are you kidding me? What is that? Like, what? I'm just confused. What is that camo supposed to be, man? Radio silence. Okay, guys, that was the alpha packs, but I want to see what this looks like. I don't know why I always run this camo, but it's probably one of the coolest ones Can you really not zoom in farther than that? Wow, that's crazy. I mean, it's okay, but for a legendary, you kind of expect more. But yeah, guys, I think that was pretty successful opening. I mean, it's not like I didn't get any camos like for Twitch or Ash or Jaeger, but I'll take the legendaries. Those are dope. It's been cool, guys, and I'll see